Well, as of this recording, it is April 8th, and you should be, as a group, working right along through your marketing plan. Your prospective market survey should have already been done. If you haven't finished it, it really needs to be completed because you need to start moving on and working on understanding your market segment, your customer segments. Have already done research on your competition. Maybe someone in your group is good with graphics and can design a journey map. There's lots of tools out there for that, as well as know what type of pricing for your products and services. You should already have that written down, as well as traditional advertising. Are you going to use TV, radio, anything that's not really internet based or digital at this point? You need to do that. And speaking of that, your group should really be at the point where you're meeting once a week, either by email correspondence or Google Docs, Skype, Zoom, whatever it is. But you've got to start moving along because we really only have a few weeks left in the semester. Past week's case, we went through Hip Hops, which was this delicious looking frozen gelato dessert truck. I loved a lot of your responses, really good thoughts on just basic, simple, like, okay, how do they promote on the internet? And there was also some interesting lessons in this video about leadership and entrepreneurship in general and developing systems. And I just wanted to throw out there, there's just some basic lessons that we see this a lot in a lot of business startups. Is a lot of businesses, we recommend that they need to brand first before they expand. It's so easy. It's so tempting to just expand and go. And I've done this with several businesses, including the International House, where we grew too fast too early. And then we had some problems in our foundation that really needed to be perfecting a process. I mentioned a book a while back called The E-Myth. Really good book if you're interested in developing a franchisable business idea. Really it lays out steps on how to document your processes, how to improve everything to the point where it's just reproducible instead of reproducing something that has problems with it in the beginning. So having a proof of concept, having a model that works well, and then you start to then grow that. Now you've got a good model to work with. You develop a brand. And so part of that brand is internet advertising and strategy. And that's what we're going to move into over the next couple of weeks, is developing a strategy for search engine optimization, content marketing, which is blogs, social media, white papers, video, vlogs, podcasts, all those things that don't directly advertise your product or service, but they indirectly drive traffic because you're now offering free information. SEO basics and just basic tools on the internet, Google Analytics, things on how to develop flyers and websites and all that. So this next week, there's a lot of little videos that you're going to go through, watch them, and then respond to the next case. Overall, hold with us for the next few weeks. We're going to really go in depth into internet and digital marketing.